It's time to make Nocino liqueur. The green walnuts are bang in season now, and there's a short window to harvest these before the shell starts to form and harden. And also make sure you wear gloves when you handle these or cut them open, because there's a natural dye inside that will stain your hands. So to make this one, you just need to cut your walnuts into quarters, load them up into a kilner jar, and then I'm going to flavour them up with some Meadow sweet, some dried fig leaves, and they were the fig leaves that were left over from my fig leaf syrup that I dehydrated, so waste not, want not, but you could just use fresh or dried. But traditionally you would use a bit of lemon in here, cinnamon, maybe some vanilla, but I'm going to get that vanilla flavour from the Meadow sweet, and the fig will just add a different vibe, that coconutty kind of sweetness, and I wanted to keep the flavours quite wild and foraged, to be honest. Once that's done, load it back up with the walnuts and pack them in there as well, and then you're going to cover them with a 40% proof alcohol. I'm just using vodka, just cheap stuff, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. Pop a lid on, and then what you're going to do is give them a good shake now, and then every day for the first 5 days shake them, and then after that just shake them once a week for about 6 weeks, and you'll see the colour start to change, the flavours mingle, and it will even start to thicken up as well. I realised that the actual vodka was leaking out, and of course, stupid me, I've put the lid on upside down, but sorted it all out now, good to go. And then I'm going to watch and admire these and treat these like a little kind of project or pet. And I can't wait to show you the results in 6 weeks' time.